Good morning everyone, welcome back to your channel. In today's video, we'll be making a Chinese style sweet and sour chicken. I usually make huge quantities when I make sweet and sour, but here's a recipe if you have a 1 pound chicken breast. First, let's prepare the marinade. Now, if you don't want chili powder, you can use black pepper, and if you don't have ketchup available, you can add or use tomato paste instead. Meanwhile, let's cut our chicken into bite-sized pieces, and after that, put it in the marinade and marinate it for at least an hour in the refrigerator. If you're wondering why there is a lot of chicken in this video, it's because I tripled the recipe for our dinner. While waiting for the marinade to be ready, let's prepare the coating. The good thing about this is that you can make the seasoned flour mixture ahead of time and store it in an airtight container for any time you want to make this recipe. Let's whisk to combine all the ingredients. You may also use a electric hand mixer so that you will have a smoother texture of the coating. As for the vegetables, I'm using 3 different colors of bell peppers and added some carrots as well. Then, take each piece of chicken and dredge it in the coating mixture. I was not able to film it, but I put an egg before I dip it in the coating mixture. Next, let's pour enough canola oil into the frying pan and heat the oil on medium-high to high heat. Now we're looking for the chicken to cook and brown for about 2 to 3 minutes, or cook the chicken until cooked through and crispy. Because we want to retain the crispiness of the chicken, we won't be using a paper towel as it will trap steam and cause our food to get soggy. Lastly, let's prepare our sweet and sour sauce. Simply add the ingredients and whisk to combine. Now once we put the sauce in the pan later on, which I will show you, that's the time we will add cornstarch and water to thicken up the mixture. Finally, it's time to make our sweet and sour sauce. Now once you're done frying, remove the oil but leave at least 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Sauté the onion until brown, followed by your vegetables. At this point, I also added my canned pineapple chunks, but you may use fresh pineapples. Since we wanted to have a thick sauce, that's the time we will be adding cornstarch and a little bit of water. As you can see, the color of the sauce is a little bit red because I added a little bit ketchup. Once the sauce starts to bubble and thicken, that's the time that we can add the chicken. There you go, our sweet and sour chicken. Serve it immediately and you may garnish it with sesame seeds or green onions.